Quality assurance is the final step of the planning stage in software development. Quality assurance's plan is to explicitly define the criteria on which the quality of the product is going to be judged. Now, we do that we judge that through the success or otherwise of a project, and this needs to be based on a series of predetermined factors, such as the efficiency of our code. It's great that code runs really well on a high-end machine, but it needs to run on all different styles of machine. Lower machines, higher machines, lots of RAM, not much RAM. Make sure it works properly. We need to consider data integrity. Now, data integrity is the correctness of data within the system. Integrity improves with data validation tools, which we've seen, and it can be dependent upon other factors. But mostly we want the data going into our system to be good. We want system reliability. We want the system to be able to work efficiently, work without crashing all the time, or at least as much as possible. A lot of data, cloud data storage systems talk about 99.999% uptime, the 5 nines. That is a reliable system. We need our product to be usable. We need it to be easy for our end users to work with. It needs to have a good workflow. It needs to be easy and attractive, hopefully, for our end users. We need data and information accuracy. Now, we mentioned before about data efficiency, well, we need information accuracy as well. The processing that goes on with that data to become information has to be accurate. The ease of system maintenance is important. If you need to do updates, you need to make sure that your code is easy to understand, easy to update. This includes your intrinsic and extrinsic documentation. This includes modular support, modular plugins. System portability, in particular being able to reuse components at another time and place. Now, these are all part of explicitly defined criteria on which you could judge the success of your project or quality of your product. We need to put into place management processes to ensure quality criteria will be met. So, the software quality assurance, also called SQA, because who doesn't love a good acronym? This will ensure all facets of the product work as they are supposed to, as we've just gone through. And more importantly, will ensure facets of the project or program that don't work will get updated. We need to think about an ongoing process throughout development to ensure quality criteria will be met. We do this through our development, through our portfolio, through our diaries, through our testing plan, through our planning stages, planning our algorithms and our designs and our storyboards. We need to identify a range of criteria on which the quality of the product will be judged. This is our measures of success. Now, we've gone through quite a few of those earlier on in this presentation as well. And we need to identify relevant processes for a given criteria that will result in a quality product. And this is done in particular in a practical way by meticulous testing. Meticulous ongoing testing of modules standing alone, modules working together.